Hello everyone, good morning. Sorry I kept you waited for so long. Today we're going to start our first implementation of Java. As I promised, I'll keep it short, I'll keep it very precise, and will keep it as simple as I can. For please make a note. If you're the beginner, you can continue to view these tutorials. If you're expert, you can view our tutorials over here. There are advanced topics, interview questions and answers which will help you to quickly track your interview questions and answers. Those are frequently asked in multiple MNCs like Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS, etc. etc. So let's begin here. Good morning. So now we hear the term data type in Java. So what it is exactly? For example, water bag. What it is? A bag that contains water bottle. Water bottle that contains water. So this is something like bottle which contains water. So now today I'm going to show you my first variable, string company, or we'll name it as blog name. Now this simply implies blog name is of type string. And what is string? You don't need to bother about what is string. It's just used for storing group of alphabets all together. For example, this is blog name. Now it's time to initialize. As you know, in algebra we use equal to and then double quotes just for the sake of storing multiple alphabets. I will store my website name. That's it. Okay. Now tell me, forget about all this code that I have written earlier. Now tell me, suppose I am a student, so I need to store one student's information. So I need to store name, that's why I'll use name variable. And over here, I will use name semicolon to denote the machine that this is end of statement. Now, tell me, if I'm going to store the marks, whenever I use keyboard, I generally hit the numbers keys when I need to enter the numbers. That's why for storing numbers we use int data type. So this will be int variable name, that is marks, and it is 35. Now next question. I do have name, I do have marks. Next left thing is, if I want to store whether that student is clever or not, or whether that student has passed or not, or whether he has given fees or not. Okay, for checking this, what I do, use boolean variables. This is just like storing yes or no type of variables, either true or false. So boolean is fee paid variable and I am setting it to true. Now your next question is, for example, it's okay if I've got mark 35. What if I need to store percentage? The percentage are not whole numbers, they may come in fractions just like 99.99, 70.2. So for storing such kind of information we have data type float. Percentage equal to 80 point to f. If you want to store the bigger number, we have another variable that is double. So over this variable, if I want to store the bank balance or something, so I will keep it as balance, then I can store over here, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's it. Now let's check how to get this information printed on the console. First thing is we needed to store alphabets, that's why string. We needed to store marks, that's why it is int. Now boolean is for storing the states. Is he paid, is clever, is the student belongs to India or not. So I'll set it to true. True means yes, fee is paid. Float is for simply storing the numbers with fraction. Double is the same thing, but it has more capacity as the name implies, double. So this was the first part where I've declared the variables, what is data types. I've cleared you these things. Thank you guys.